JWTs, as digital passports. Imagine you're at a digital border crossing. You need a passport that proves who you are and what you're allowed to do. That's essentially what a JWT is, a secure digital passport that carries your identity and permissions across the internet. The anatomy of a digital passport. Let's break down the JWT structure in a more relatable way. The header, the passport's cover. This is like the cover of your passport. It tells us the type of passport, JWT, and how it's signed, the algorithm. It's the first thing a border agent checks. Instead of just showing the JSON, we could say, think of it as the issuing country and security seal information on your passport cover. The payload, the passport's information page. This is where the juicy details are. Your name, ID, maybe even your visa status. It's the core information the server needs to know about you. Instead of just listing claims, we can say, these are the claims like your personal details and permissions. Sub is your digital ID, name is your name, and admin, true, is like a VIP stamp. We can also explain registered claims using analogies. Note, the original text didn't include the registered claims analogies, but if you want me to add them, just let me know which registered claims you'd like explained. The signature, the anti-tamper seal. This is the magic. It's the digital equivalent of a holographic seal. It proves that the passport hasn't been tampered with, and that it's issued by a trusted source. Instead of just showing the formula, we could say, it's a special code generated using a secret key. If anyone tries to change the passport, this seal breaks, and the server knows it's fake. The JWT dance, how it works. Instead of a dry, auth flow, let's make it a story. You walk up to the website's door login. You show your credentials, email, and password. The door guard, auth server, checks them and issues you a digital passport, JWT. Now, with this passport, you can access all the protected areas of the website resource server without showing your credentials again and again. Why JWTs are awesome. No more sticky notes, stateless authentication. The server doesn't need to remember who you are after issuing the passport. It's like having a self-sufficient ID that works everywhere. Fort Knox security. These passports are seriously secure. They're signed and can even be encrypted, making them super hard to forge. Travel-friendly size, compact, and URL safe. They're small and fit neatly into web requests, making them perfect for moving around the internet. Universal language, interoperability. Everyone understands them. They're like a universal passport, working across different websites and apps.